Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technify. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting drone leaks of the year, the all-new DJI Avata 3. Fresh footage out of Chinese social media has given us our first real look, and it's safe to say DJI is about to raise the bar again. The Avata 3 looks nothing like its predecessor. The chunky orange bumpers and bulky frame from the Avata 2 are gone. In their place is a sleeker, lighter, and far more futuristic design that's built for speed, balance, and serious agility. It's like the Avata 2 hit the gym, shed all the extra weight, and came back looking ready to dominate the skies. But it's not just the design that's getting attention. The camera, stabilization, and overall performance are rumored to be on another level. Let's unpack what makes the DJI Avata 3 a real game-changer for FPV flying. DJI Avata 3 marks a bold new chapter for DJI's FPV drone lineup, combining innovation, precision, and power in one sleek package. Right off the bat, the most noticeable change is the design. DJI has completely ditched the bulky aesthetic of the Avata 2. No more oversized bumpers or excess bulk weighing it down. Instead, the Avata 3 arrives with a more refined, aerodynamic body that's both functional and futuristic. The new form factor looks slimmer and sharper, perfectly balancing agility and protection. One of the smartest design changes DJI has made is the repositioning of the battery toward the back. This seemingly small adjustment dramatically improves the drone's weight distribution, leading to more stable and responsive flight behavior. It also frees up space at the front for a completely reimagined camera system, something that's already generating massive buzz across the FPV community. And speaking of the camera, this might be the biggest upgrade of all. Rumors suggest the Avata 3 will feature a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant leap from the Avata 2's smaller 1/1.3-inch sensor. That larger sensor translates to sharper details, richer colors, and drastically improved low-light performance. Whether you're flying at sunset or capturing cinematic shots through forest trails, the footage is expected to be cleaner and more dynamic than ever before. Even more exciting is the support for 4K at 120 frames per second, double what the Avata 2 could manage. That means ultra-smooth slow-motion footage that will make every flight look like a movie scene. But it doesn't stop at visuals. DJI is reportedly enhancing the Avata 3's stabilization systems too. The Avata 2 already impressed with its Rocksteady and Horizon Steady tech, but the next iteration could introduce hybrid stabilization, combining electronic image stabilization with a potential mechanical gimbal for even smoother footage. This improvement would make high-speed or acrobatic flying look silky smooth while maintaining professional-grade footage quality. Battery life is another area where DJI seems to be pushing limits. While the Avata 2 already offered around 23 minutes of flight time, the Avata 3 could stretch that closer to 30 minutes thanks to new battery technology and power-efficient motors. That means more time in the air and fewer breaks between flights, something both professionals and hobbyists will appreciate. On the safety and control side, DJI is expected to implement a fully omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, offering 360-degree protection. This feature will significantly reduce collision risks, giving both beginners and experts the confidence to fly in tight or complex environments. Combined with the company's refined O3 Plus transmission system, the Avata 3 should deliver even lower latency and clearer live feeds to your goggles. Finally, expect DJI to take user experience up a notch. Updates to the DJI RC Motion 3 controller and Goggles 3 are likely, offering better comfort, responsiveness, and intuitive control. Add in potential AI flight assistance, like automated tracking or cinematic flight paths, and the Avata 3 could be the most accessible yet powerful FPV drone ever built. Everything about it points toward DJI's mission to redefine what an FPV drone can achieve. And that wraps up our deep dive into the DJI Avata 3, a drone that's shaping up to be a serious game-changer for both FPV pilots and creators. From its redesigned body and upgraded 1-inch camera sensor to its rumored improvements in stabilization, flight time, and obstacle detection, DJI seems ready to take FPV flying to the next level. Every leak and rumor points toward a more balanced, powerful, and cinematic experience in the air. If these upgrades come true, the Avata 3 won't just be an iteration, it'll be a revolution in first-person flying. So, what do you think of DJI's new direction? Are you excited about the Avata 3's sleeker build and possible gimbal stabilization? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest drone tech and leaks, right here on Technify.